George Orwell's life story explained in 1 minute. Did you know the man who warned the world about government surveillance was secretly being watched by his own government the entire time? George Orwell was born Eric Blair in 1903 in British India. He grew up, won a scholarship to Eton, and then did something almost no one expected. He quit his career as a colonial police officer in Burma and chose to live as a poor tramp in Paris and London, sleeping in shelters and washing dishes just to understand how the world really worked. In 1936, he went to Spain to fight fascism and was shot through the throat. Then the Soviet-backed forces on his own side tried to have him arrested and killed. That experience changed everything. He wrote Animal Farm in 1945 and 1984 in 1949, two of the most powerful warnings about government control ever written. But while he wrote those final pages in a cold Scottish farmhouse, slowly dying of tuberculosis, British intelligence was quietly filing secret reports on him. Orwell invented Big Brother. He never knew Big Brother was watching him.